That's on the leg. And then on top, here. If you don't have those 2 dots, this move is useless. The 2 dots must line up on the rail. So you want to give that a try? Try that, like 2 people in a pair. Because if you don't try it, if you cannot produce it, you cannot use it anywhere. Yeah, you guys want to, I'll show you first. You touch me first. Yeah, here. Push hard. Yeah. You feel the 2 dots?
Yep.
Now, can you feel the 2 dots line up and stretch on the track?
Yep.
Try it. Sure. This is normal movement. But now it's on the line. Can you feel the stretch on the line?
Here?
Yeah. Here? There. Use strength. You feel the 2 dots?
Yeah.
Now, can you...
And elongate on the line.
Yeah, they stay. First thing is they must be moved onto the same line. So now you touch here, touch here. You see that?
Shifu does the line here and the leg and the line.
It's one line. It's one line. That's one slot.
It's like you're in a slot.
Yeah.
So imagine
It
you have
can't
a
go
slot
sideways.
on either side.
Yeah.
The whole body has to fit in
Yeah.
there.
Now this here, he only has this much.
Right.
At the training, you should move your foot back. You should be on this slot.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at least enough. The back is not going to
Right.
interfere.
Right.
Because otherwise this interferes.
So here is your slot right here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
yes.
grab him here and we'll see. Push a little bit. Yeah, give him. Yeah. Now, first of all, stretch this. Let me see. That's good. Okay. Now, pull back. No. See, he totally moving here, right? Go. Oh, yeah. Now it came up here. Go.
Where am I leaking?
Yeah. No. You got stuck.
This cannot go. My hips cannot go back.
But when I locked, he could not move.
Right.
There has to be movement inside.
It's got to move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, and I'm
Right, you're
not
not
open.
Yeah, you're totally tight. It has to be connected. You open it. So you touch here and touch here. We are here.
Right.
Don't do anything yet.
Okay.
See here?
Right.
No. Lock it.
Okay.
That's it.
Right.
So I give you this much pressure, and now when you bend your knee back and push this towards here. Yeah. You feel that.
Yes.
And as that, you have to compensate.
Yeah.
Do it again. As that happens,
Right.
lean your shoulder back.
Lean my shoulder back?
No movement.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Because not too big a movement.
Okay,
It's
too big.
just
It's gotta match.
just
It's gotta
that
match.
feeling.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
this is in it.
Okay.
This has to be away from
Okay.
it. We're here.
Right.
You feel that?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, so you get the rhythm.
Okay.
And you can choose any time when I'm doing it. You pull this back.
Okay.
I'm doing this. You do that.
Okay.
So we lock first.
Okay.
Lock. You feel that?
Right.
That's stronger. That's okay. You
Right.
feel that here. Now pull the. Yeah.
Right.
When you do it right, the foot has to
Right.
come
So
up.
this has to come.
Yeah.
So now-
And don't use here.
Right. I just moved that.
Yeah.
Right.
No, you push.
Right.
No push. Only stretch. Okay?
Right.
Yeah. You feel that. Feel that. In the end, here.
Right.
Don't move anything.
Right.
Just imagine. Only stretch the finger.
Right. Okay.
Now you understand?
I definitely feel it.
Yeah. You need the stretch.
But it's not doing. It's
Yeah.
still not
I'll
doing
show
it
you
enough.
the. I'll show you the
I'm
stretch.
still not doing it enough.
Okay. Ray. Grab.
Me?
Yeah. Go over there. Touch here. Like put your hand there. Don't interfere. So you can push me. I have to find where I can lock. This is a good lock.
Right.
But on the lock, I went, stretch the finger. What did you feel? No movement, right?
No movement.
Yeah.
From there, I couldn't feel anything.
Yeah.
So with the shoulder, you're saying as
No. Hold me.
Go ahead.
Over here. Hold.
Right.
Hold here. And the back.
Okay.
Here. So we are, without knowing it, we're doing this.
Right.
And That's a movement.
Right.
But can you feel?
Okay, that's what I wanted to feel. Okay, now I know. Okay.
It has to roll.
But there's no movement.
Right. No.
When you say is like that?
Yeah. But this has to rotate. So the energy is from here. Don't move here. This one actually goes like this here. It comes back here. Yeah. Now you see, don't move. It only rotates. Yeah. Feel that now? Don't push it. Just stretch it. Yeah. Feel that here? Don't push it. Stretch it. Yeah. You to grab me. I'll show you the feeling underneath to feel. No. This is here. This is underneath. So you have this. You can be strong to feel. You have this push, but I only have this. Can you feel from the back? It came here.
It's a stretch.
Yeah. It's a rotation.